Hi, I am Wiman Tufa from the Schlicker Lab at Department of Molecular Biophysics and Biochemistry at Yale University. My work is dedicated to identifying the molecular glitch in dystonia and finding ways to help cells repair themselves. In dystonia, a single mutation in a protein called toxin leads to a massive problem inside the cell. It's well established that without healthy toxin, cells develop toxic condensate at the nuclear envelope. To deal with the disease, cells need to clean up the harmful condensates and maintain normal functions. With the reverse support from Dystonia Medical Research Foundation, we converted our research from theory to action. Briefly, we ran massive studies and identified genes and FDA-approved drugs that potentially activate autophagy, a natural drug disposal system to clear out the toxic condensate. The postdoctoral fellowship from the Estonia Medical Research Foundation allows me to conduct the next phase of our study. My work includes two aims. First, testing how drugs and genes can precisely turn on the cleanup system to remove the condensates. Second, I'm investigating why healthy protein turns sticky in the first place, so we can stop the damage before it starts. Ultimately, we are not only removing condensates but also working to restore the healthy protein balance that cell needs to function. Thank you, DMRF, again for making this work possible.